up here at the church talking to the groundskeeper, and I thought I'd just walk over here since there's nobody up here and film these 4 condensers. It's been a while, 2 years. There's that new Lennox. This one's a Heil. That's got a scroll compressor in it. Yep. There's that Lennox. It's got a Copeland scroll, both 410A. 13 SEER 4-ton. Oh no, 22. That's a 22. Probably replaced one of these. I ain't crawling back here. This is a 4-ton. I think these are all 4 tons. 4-ton. This is a 13 SEER. I might come up here later and film others. And there's these 2 Heils. They're both 12 SEER. Max Performance 12s. Those stickers right there. Four-ton from 2003. That one was just, one of them was just running. I think you're both tied in to the same unit. This one's the same. These are all straight cools. They're paired with furnaces up here in the attic. Ouch. Oh, and then there's our temp star back here. Okay, over and out. This has been an xctome video production.